This becomes our tenth. This becomes our hundredth. And this becomes our thousandth. To round this up to the nearest thousandth, we need to first start by rounding up from right to left. So let's quickly wipe this off so that you can see how it is done. So first of all, we'll start with this. This is 5 here. It is up to 5, so we'll round it up to 1 here. It becomes 3.1479. Good. Now, we are dealing with the nearest thousandth, which is 7. So we need to round it up one more time. When you round up this to 1, this becomes 3.148. This is to the nearest thousandth. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more maths videos.